ready to order?
Good afternoon, miss. Can I help you find anything?
I'd like to change some menu.
Hello everyone, you're watching Plug Into English. My name is Tivamile Tlamini, your TV host for today. Do you ever struggle conversing in English, especially to your clients or colleagues? Well, struggle no more. On today's show, you're gonna watch and learn the do's and don'ts of communicating in English in an international workplace. Let's check it out. What do you want?
I like a medium hot latte, please.
And what do you want?
Just a large hot vanilla latte.
So that's one medium hot latte and vanilla hot latte for large.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I give you enjoy. Money. Hi, are you ready to order?
Yes, I like a medium hot latte, please.
Okay, and for you?
Just a large hot vanilla latte.
Okay, so that's one medium hot latte and one large vanilla hot latte.
Yes.
Okay. Here it is, and please enjoy. Now that's proper etiquette. Now let's take a look at another short clip of do's and don'ts when at a job interview. Check it out.
Good afternoon. I'm Henry. I'll be conducting your interview.
Hi! Nice to meet you.
Now, please tell me your experience in hospitality industry.
I don't have much experience. I'm just interested.
What was your job before?
Before that, I took a 6-month part in Yunsan Hotel, but I never finished it because I don't like my supervisor.
Do you have any official qualifications?
No, sorry.
Good afternoon. I'm Henry. I'll be conducting your interview.
It's nice to meet you.
Likewise. Now, please tell me your experience in hospitality industry.
I currently work at Regent Hotel. I've worked there for 5 years as a front desk clerk.
What was your job before?
Before that, I took part in a 6-month internship program where I learned to interact effectively with hotel guests.
Do you have any official qualifications?
Oh yes, I've earned a certificate in hospitality management.
Great.
Now that's how you get hired. Be polite and professional. Now let's check out this next scene for checking in a hotel. The do's and don'ts. Check it out. Next. Welcome to Regent Hotel. How may I help you?
I have a reservation for today. It's under the name of Derbyshire.
Derbyshire? Wait, what?
It's pronounced Derbyshire.
Whatever. Yes, I see your name. Derbyshire. We reserved a double room for you with a view of the ocean for 2 nights, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Here's your keys.
Thank you.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Regent Hotel. How may I help you?
I have a reservation for today. It's under the name of Derbyshire.
Okay, sure. Can you spell it for me, ma'am?
Sure. DERBYSHIRE.
Yes, Miss Derbyshire's. We reserved a double room for you with a view of the ocean for 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Hope you had a pleasant stay. Now let's go to the airport and here are the do's and don'ts you might encounter.
Hi, I like to exchange some money. Hi, I like to exchange some money.
Sure. What kind of money do you need?
I like to swap some US dollars to New Taiwan dollars. I have 200 US dollars here.
200 US dollars can be exchanged into $6,214 in New Taiwan dollars.
What? Sorry?
See?
Okay. Okay, here's my cash.
Take it. Goodbye.
Hi, I like to exchange some currency.
Sure. What kind of currency do you need?
I like to change some US dollars to New Taiwan dollars. I have 200 US dollars here.
200 US dollars can be exchanged into $6,214.
Sorry, what? Sorry, what?
6,214 New Taiwan dollars.
Oh, great. Here's my cash.
Okay. $6,214. There it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Miss, will you buy anything? Will you buy anything?
I'm just browsing.
Well, if I need a souvenir, those bracelets are very expensive, so please be careful.
I'm just transiting here. So I don't really need anything to remember my stay.
In that case, you shouldn't miss the next flight.
Okay.
Good afternoon, miss. Can I help you find anything?
I'm just browsing.
Well, if you need a souvenir, those are very popular.
I'm just transiting, so I don't really need anything to remember my stay.
In that case, you should get some snacks for your next flight.
I'll think about it. Thanks.
Looks like I'm not buying it as souvenir anytime soon. Just joking. Actually, if you wanted to understand the do's and don'ts of customer service at an airport, that was exactly it. So remember, go the extra mile with applied foreign languages and plug into the rest of the world. My name is Tivamile Tlamini, and you're watching Plug into English. So until next time, see you later. Come on over, students. Hello everyone, my name is Tivamile Tlamini and you're watching Plug into English. On today's show, you will... You're watching Plug into English. My name is Tivamile Tlamini and I'm your TV host for today. Did I just say TV host? Communicating in an English communication workplace. Check it out. Hello everyone, you're watching Plug into English and I'm your... I hit my mic. I should hold. Okay, that's it. We're using that first one.
Action.
What was your job before?
Sorry.
Good afternoon. I'm Henry. I'll be conducting.
It's okay. It's okay. Keep going. It's fine.
Internship program at Musan Hotel, where I learned how to interact effectively with hotel guests.
Effectively?
Effectively.
Yeah. You have to say, wow, great.
Great.
Before that, I took an.
I'm sorry, you cannot cheat.
Cheat?
Cheat, you cannot look at it.
Oh.
No, say it out.
Before that, I took part in a 6-month internship program at Musan Hotel, where I learned how to interact effectively.
Wow, great.
Nice.
Nice.
I like a medium hot latte, please.
And what do you want?
Just a lot. Just a...
Okay, I'll give it enjoy. Okay, I give you enjoy. Money.
Don't laugh. Action. You say.
Yes, it is.
Take it. Bye.
I'm just browsing.
Well, if you need souvenir, those purses are very hot. Sorry. Action. And do a very... No laughing, please. One more time. Go.
Next. Welcome to Virgin Hotel. How may I help you?
I have a reservation. It's for today. It's under the name of Derbyshire.
Derbyshire? Okay, wait, what?
Apple shot.
Derbyshire.
Okay.
Next. Welcome to Virgin Hotel. How may I help you?
And I have a reservation for today. It's under the name of Derbyshire.
Derbyshire? Derbyshire? Wait, what?
My name is Tivamile Tlamini. Thanks for watching Plug into English. See you next time. Come on in, guys.